Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet dresses ideas. So please viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to last. These crochet designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique crochet ideas. Please viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique and decent crochet ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of crochet articles. You can design your dresses with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet articles collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet articles from my channel. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon friends with new and latest crochet articles. Take care. Allah Hafiz.